बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आप देख रहे हैं चैनल जिसका नाम है पढ़ाई घर। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम आपको कुछ MCQs के बारे में बताएंगे जो कि कायद-ए-आज़म की लाइफ से रिलेटेड होंगे। इससे पहले भी हम एक वीडियो बना चुके हैं, उसमें हमने तमाम MCQs उर्दू में बताए थे, लेकिन आज की इस वीडियो में हम वही तमाम क्वेश्चंस आपको इंग्लिश में बताएंगे ताकि जो लोग उर्दू पढ़ना नहीं जानते हैं वो भी कायद-ए-आज़म की ज़िंदगी के बारे में बहुत अच्छे से और एक्यूरेट नॉलेज हासिल कर सकें। तो चलें बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए चलते हैं अपनी डिस्कशन के जानिब।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम टू दिस चैनल जिसका नाम है पढ़ाई घर, बने मिसाल पाकिस्तान की, क्योंकि अब मुल्क को बेहतर बनाना है।
द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, what was the date of birth of Quaid-e-Azam? Options: 25th December 1876, 25th December 1877, 25th December 1878 or 25th December 1879. The correct answer is 25th December 1876. Next question, where was Quaid-e-Azam born? Karachi, Bombay, England, Lahore. The correct answer is Karachi. What was the name of Quaid-e-Azam's father? Parvez Jinnah, Paposh Jinnah, Poonja Jinnah, Aslam Jinnah. The correct answer is Poonja Jinnah. What was the name of Quaid-e-Azam's mother? Joonabai Jinnah, Mittibai Jinnah, Sonabai Jinnah or Mehreenbai Jinnah. The correct answer is Mittibai Jinnah. How many brothers and sisters did Quaid-e-Azam have? 3 brothers, 3 sisters, 1 brother, 3 sisters, 2 brothers, 3 sisters or 0 brother, 3 sisters. The correct answer is 3 brothers, 3 sisters. What are the names of Quaid-e-Azam's brothers? Ahmad Bande Rahmat, Ahmad Bande Sohbat, Ahmad Bande Shafqat or Ahmad Bande Asad. The correct answer is Ahmad Bande Rahmat. What are the names of Quaid-e-Azam's sisters? Fatma Maryam Ziri, Fatma Sonia Ziri, Fatma Maryam Shiri or Fatma Sonia Shiri. The correct answer is Fatma Maryam Shiri. In what year did Quaid-e-Azam's first marriage take place? In 1893, in 1892, in 1891 or in 1890? The correct answer is 1892. In what year did Quaid-e-Azam's second marriage take place? In 1948, in 1938, in 1928 or in 1918? The correct answer is in 1918. What was the name of Quaid-e-Azam's first wife? Annie Bai, Ajmi Bai, Ratan Bai or Amy Bai? The correct answer is Amy Bai. What was the name of Quaid-e-Azam's second wife? Annie Bai, Ajmi Bai, Ratan Bai or Amy Bai? The correct answer is Ratan Bai. What was the name of Quaid-e-Azam's daughter? Jeena Wadia, Deena Wadia, Reena Wadia or Meena Wadia? The correct answer is Deena Wadia. What was the date of birth of Quaid-e-Azam's daughter? 1918, 1919, 1920 or 1921? The correct answer is 1919. In what year did Quaid-e-Azam start his primary education? 1880, 1881, 1882 or 1883? The correct answer is 1882. When did Quaid-e-Azam pass the matriculation exam? At the age of 15, at the age of 16, at the age of 17 or at the age of 18? The correct answer is at the age of 16. Why did Quaid-e-Azam go to England? To study politics, to study science, to study law or to study biology? The correct answer is to study law. In which university did Quaid-e-Azam get admission? Lincoln Inn, Lincoln Inn, LinkedIn or Linking In? The correct answer is Lincoln Inn. At what age did Quaid-e-Azam pass the bar exam? At the age of 20, at the age of 21, at the age of 22 or at the age of 23? The correct answer is at the age of 21. Where did Quaid-e-Azam practice law? In Bombay and Lahore, in Bombay and England, in Bombay and Karachi or in Karachi and Lahore? The correct answer is in Karachi and Bombay. When did Quaid-e-Azam start practicing law? In 1896, in 1897, in 1898 or 1899? The correct answer is in 1897. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah became wealthy through his politician, inheritance, legal practice, honors and awards? The correct answer is legal practice. In what year did Quaid-e-Azam become the President of the Supreme Council? In 1906, in 1907, in 1908 or in 1909? The correct answer is in 1909. When did Quaid-e-Azam join the Muslim League? In 1914, in 1913, in 1912 or in 1911? The correct answer is in 1913. In what year did Quaid-e-Azam sign the Lucknow Pact? In 1906, in 1913, in 1916 or in 1921? The correct answer is in 1916. In what year did Quaid-e-Azam disaffiliate from the Congress? In 1920, in 1921, in 1922 or in 1923? The correct answer is in 1920. In what year did you preside over the meeting of Muslim League in Kolkata? In 1927, in 1928, in 1929 or in 1920? The correct answer is in 1927. When did Quaid-e-Azam start having sharp differences with the Congress? In 1927, in 1928, in 1929, or in 1920? The correct answer is in 1928. In what year did Quaid-e-Azam strongly oppose the Nehru Report? In 1927, in 1928, in 1929, or in 1920? The correct answer is in 1928. In what year did the Muslim League meet in Delhi? In 1927, in 1928, in 1929, or in 1920? The correct answer is in 1929. In which year did Quaid-e-Azam present 14 points? In 1927, in 1928, in 1929, or in 1920? The correct answer is in 1929. When did Quaid-e-Azam attend the first roundtable conference? In 1927, in 1928, in 1929, or in 1930? The correct answer is in 1930. When did you temporarily separate yourself from Indian politics? From 1930 to 1932, from 1930 to 1931, from 1930 to 1933, or from the 1930 to 1934? The correct answer is from 1930 to 1934. When did Quaid-e-Azam address the Lahore Resolution? In 1934, in 1929, in 1940, or in 1944? The correct answer is in 1940. In which city was the Pakistan Resolution presented? Karachi, Bombay, Delhi, Lahore? The correct answer is Lahore. When did Quaid-e-Azam refuse to participate in the National Defence Council? In 1940, in 1941, in 1942, or in 1943? The correct answer is in 1941. When was the assassination attempt on Quaid-e-Azam? In 1940, in 1941, in 1942, or in 1943? The correct answer is in 1943. When did Quaid-e-Azam attend the Shimla Conference? In 1944, in 1945, in 1946, or in 1947? The correct answer is in 1945. When did you negotiate with the cabinet delegation? In 1944, in 1945, in 1946, or in 1947? The correct answer is in 1946. When did Quaid-e-Azam make his last speech on Radio Pakistan? In 1944, in 1945, in 1946, or in 1947? The correct answer is in 1947. When was the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan inaugurated? 10th August 1947, 11th August 1947, 12th August 1947 or 13th August 1947? When did Quaid-e-Azam give the message of Eid al-Fitr to the nation? 14th August 1947, 16th August 1947, 17th August 1947 or 18th August 1947? The correct answer is 18th August 1947. In what year did the title of Quaid-e-Azam become popular? In 1928, in 1938, in 1920 or in 1918? The correct answer is in 1938. When did Quaid-e-Azam give the message of Eid al-Adha to the nation? 22nd October 1947, 23rd October 1947, 24th October 1947 or 25th October 1947? The correct answer is on 24th October 1947. When did you inaugurate the All Pakistan Education Conference? 27th November 1947, 28th November 1947, 29th November 1947 or 30th November 1947? The correct answer is 27th November 1947. When was Quaid-e-Azam's last birthday? 24th December 1947, 25th December 1947, 26th December 1947 or 27th December 1947? The correct answer is 25th December 1947. When did Quaid-e-Azam address 300,000 people? 4th March 1948, 3rd March 1948, 2nd March 1948 or 1st March 1948? The correct answer is 1st March 1948. When did Quaid-e-Azam address the officers of Army Staff College, Quetta? 12th June 1948, 14th June 1948, 18th June 1948 or 19th June 1948? The correct answer is 14th June 1948. When did Quaid-e-Azam inaugurate State Bank of Pakistan? On 1st July 1948, 2nd July 1948, 3rd July 1948 or 4th July 1948? The correct answer is 1st July 1948. How much salary per month did Quaid-e-Azam take as Governor General of Pakistan? Rupees 1, Rupees 1000, Rupees 10,000 or Rupees 1 lakh? The correct answer is Rupees 1. Where did Quaid-e-Azam spend the last days of his life? Karachi, Ziyarat, Lahore, London? The correct answer is Ziyarat. In which province is the place of Ziyarat located? Sindh, KPK, Punjab or Balochistan? The correct answer is Balochistan. Who was with him at the time of Quaid-e-Azam's death? Liaquat Ali Khan, Allama Iqbal, Fatma Jinnah or no one? The correct answer is Fatma Jinnah. When did he leave for Ziyarat? 1st July 1948, 2nd July 1948, 3rd July 1948 or 4th July 1948? The correct answer is 4th July 1948. When did Quaid-e-Azam die? 11th September 1948, 12th September 1948, 13th September 1948 or 14th September 1948? The correct answer is 11th September 1948. What was the time of Quaid-e-Azam's death? 9:25 p.m., 10:25 p.m., 11:25 p.m. or 12:25 a.m.? The correct answer is 10:25 p.m. When was Quaid-e-Azam buried? 11th September 1948, 12th September 1948, 13th September 1948 or 14th September 1948? The correct answer is 12th September 1948. Who offered the funeral prayer of Quaid-e-Azam? Allama Shabbir Hussain Usmani, Allama Shahir Hussain Usmani, Allama Shamsher Hussain Usmani or Allama Ahmad Hussain Usmani? The correct answer is Allama Shabbir Hussain Usmani. Where was Quaid-e-Azam buried? Lahore, London, Karachi, Islamabad? The correct answer is Karachi. How many people attended Quaid-e-Azam's funeral? 2 lakh, 4 lakh, 6 lakh or 8 lakh? The correct answer is 6 lakh. What advice did Quaid-e-Azam give to the nation? Monotheism, unity, discipline, humanity, unity, discipline, tolerance, unity, discipline or faith, unity, discipline? The correct answer is faith, unity, discipline. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो जिसमें हमने आपको तमाम क्वेश्चंस जो कि Quaid-e-Azam की लाइफ से रिलेटेड थे वो हमने आपको इंग्लिश में बताए, ताकि जो लोग उर्दू नहीं जानते हैं या उर्दू नहीं समझते हैं तो वो भी हमारे इस अजीम लीडर के ज़िंदगी के बारे में बहुत अच्छे से जान सकें। उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो ज़रूर पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलिएगा और इस चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।